to take one of that book, ma'am.
Sorry, what?
We got new books, no, ma'am.
Yes.
So shall we take from that one book?
Last year notebook you have, right? Robotics.
Yeah. Yes,
In that
ma'am.
only you can maintain.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can continue.
Yes, you can continue in that book only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I observed in last class so many you have not understand the dice programming and you are doing something like wrong in that one. So today I'll explain once again in a short way. Before that, I want to ask you something. Like I want to ask you questions. Have you remember all that or not?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kalyan
Yes,
Kumar.
ma'am.
Kalyan Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me what is array?
What, ma'am?
What is array? Array. We have learned in last class, right?
Ma'am, I can't listen your voice.
Then how can you answer?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, no. First, I want to ask him. Kalyan Kumar. Kalyan Kumar.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. I can't listen what you're asking.
I'm saying what we have learned in last class. Just tell me. Tell. Nishita. Nishita. Nishita Rego. Shyam Kumar. Who is Shyam Kumar? Sanvi. Sanvi. Suhas.
Ma'am, first we have recapped in the last lesson. First we have recapped the last to last lesson. After that, we have learned how to use dice with dots. How to make the program dice with dots.
Yes. What is array?
Array. Array is a function. There are two types of functions. One is array, and another. It is a type of function which is used in microbit, ma'am.
No. That is a function, not array. Array is different
Can I
and
say in a
function is
short form?
different. Yes, tell.
Collection of similar type of data.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Shrestha.
can I say?
Shrestha. Yes, once.
Yes, ma'am. It's like something about a group of data.
Okay. And Shrestha, what about Sharon? She is not joining, right?
Yes, ma'am. I've been sent that link to Sharon, ma'am. Before week, I've been told to download that Google Meet app, but she's
Yes.
not there. I'll contact her, ma'am, now.
Yes, contact her and tell her to join. Yeah,
Yes,
one is
ma'am.
there, Moses done. Who is that?
Ma'am, Lisa Angel, ma'am.
Yeah, Lisa, tell.
Ma'am, about
Function.
array, ma'am.
About function.
Array is a simpler type of data stored at memory location or LED light, collection of similar type of data, ma'am. It stores all the memory, ma'am.
Okay. Kalyan Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
your name is Kalyan Kumar only, or your father name is?
My father name,
What is your name?
John Kiran.
Yes, John. Tell me, Array. Now you are able to hear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Array. What is Array? Only in this class, only 2 to 3 people are interested. Yes, they are just
Ma'am,
coming and going. Yes,
ma'am, can I say what is array?
yes, tell.
Array is a similar type of data, ma'am.
Collection of similar type of data.
Hmm.
And function?
Function is a task that. Teacher, can I say?
Wait, wait. Sanvi, tell first. What is function?
Ma'am, function is a task that you do on a program.
Okay. Ashwin,
Yes, ma'am. Function
uh,
is
dice
a
program you are able to understand, right? You did now?
what, ma'am?
You did dice programming practice.
Yes, ma'am.
You got correct one or you have doubts?
No, ma'am. I've got correctly, ma'am. Before I was having some doubts. I've seen some videos. Then I got it, ma'am. Or else I was about to contact you. Some people were sending the videos, ma'am.
Yes.
That I just understood, ma'am. There.
Okay. So now, just briefly, I'll explain you that program once again because many of you are doing the same silly mistakes. That's it. After that, we will continue our next topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So what we have done, can anyone guide me? Can anyone guide me? Any one person.
Ma'am, I can guide.
Yes, ma'am.
I can guide, ma'am.
Okay, first Ashwin, then Pallavi. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Start.
So first we need to go to functions.
Okay.
We should create a function called set dice patterns.
Okay. Now everyone listen carefully. Okay. Set dice pattern. Done. After that.
After that, we should go for we should go to arrays
Yes.
and we should bring set list of array first
Okay.
one and we should add 6 of it. So
Okay. Now.
now we can now we should go to images and we should bring create image and keep it there and we should duplicate it 6 times
Yes.
and write the die patterns also.
You understand it, everyone. After this, I'll not continue this one only in next class. You have to understand in this class only.
Okay, ma'am.
What we have done, we have created one function, and in that we are arranging the data, collection of data. See, we arrange.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, let's keep this
We
one
should,
function. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
next who will tell? Pallavi.
Ma'am, I will.
Pallavi, yes, tell.
Mama, can I say? First, we need to take function block.
Who are you? Ma'am, name?
Pallavi, ma'am.
Yes. What we should do?
We need to go for functions and we need to take function
Which
for
function?
set pattern.
That is done.
Set dice pattern.
After that, that is done.
Okay, next we need to go set list to from array.
Okay, array. Then
we need to add, we need to take like, we need to add like that.
I'm telling you that is done. See, that is done. Function the set dice pattern is done. Next, what I should do next?
Next we need to go for images. Next we need to go for images.
That is done, beta. See now, that is done. After this function, what we should do? This function is created, complete.
Next we need to take on start block and we need to go for functions and we need to take call set dice pattern and call roll dice.
Call roll dice we have not created till now. So tell we need to create now function call roll dice. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. We need to go for functions again, and again we need to make another
Roll
function
dice.
called roll dice.
Only roll dice, not call roll dice. Okay. Then
Ma'am. We need to go for images and we need to take show image, my image block, ma'am.
this one. Yes. Then
Next, we need to get list set value at 0. Sorry, list get value to, ma'am.
yes, this one.
And next we need to go for math block and we need to take pick random 1 to 6.
Yes. 1 to
6.
yes. Now I should keep this one here. And this image here. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, we cannot sit, ma'am.
Ma'am, we cannot see the screen.
Now
Are you presenting
Yes, ma'am.
the
Now we can see, ma'am.
screen, ma'am?
yes. Next.
Ma'am, now we got it.
Next.
Next, we need to take on start block.
Okay. On start.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Then
Next, we need to go for
Ma'am,
function.
I can't hear anything.
then
We need to go for functions.
yes. Then
We need to take a call set dice pattern
yes.
and call roll dice.
Yes. Then done.
Next, we need to done, ma'am.
Done.
No, ma'am. Again, we need to take on shift.
Yes. Now
And again, we need to keep their call roll dice.
yes. Very good. Now done.
Over, ma'am.
Okay. Got it now? See, we are creating two functions. The first one is set dice pattern. Second one is roll dice. In set dice pattern, we will set the images. What we want on our this strip now, we will set those images here. And in second one, we will get the values. So what we will do, we need random values, right? And the range is 1 to 6. So we will keep in roll dice function. Then we will start the script. In that we have to keep two functions, set dice pattern and roll dice. In on check we will keep only call roll dice. Okay? Done?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Done.
Now shall we move to our today's topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today's topic is sending the messages through the microbit chip. Like I have one
Okay,
microbit chip and you have one microbit chip. So we will send the messages to each other. Okay? How we can do that? That program we will do.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ask. Yes.
excuse me. Ma'am,
Yes,
now
Kumara.
you said no, ma'am, roll dice. That is same to same, ma'am. It's in the simulator I was getting only one dot, ma'am. It's not moving.
You send me your program, I'll tell what is wrong, okay? Because Again, I
That's
can't
only
complete.
a
No?
sample video, ma'am.
Okay, I'll check it and I'll tell you the problem mistake. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
So today's topic
Thank
is
you.
Excuse me, ma'am. I just want to tell you one thing, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, whenever I'm making a video and I'm showing to you, ma'am, can you
Yes.
see, ma'am? Because I'm doing a screen recording on the laptop, ma'am. That's why it's using the
Yes, yes.
OneDrive.
I will see. I have checked all the videos. Only some videos are left. I'll see. I'll check and I'll send you the messages. Okay. What is the mistake here?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So today's topic is sending the messages to each other. How we can send the messages to each other. Okay. In normal ways, how we are sending?
Using WhatsApp and
And
some other.
WhatsApp
Using
messages.
WhatsApp message.
By using WhatsApp and
By
having a
using
connection
WhatsApp.
with
Okay.
teacher.
How can
By
you
using WhatsApp
Ma'am,
messages.
I also Facebook,
wait?
ma'am.
Wait.
Post
Okay,
Email.
that is okay. That is okay. How you can send the data? Like you have one phone and I have one phone. How can you send the data?
We will chat
Using
type and we will be sending a ma'am.
Apps I'm asking. Bluetooth is there, like that, right? So
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
radio. You heard about radio, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
teacher.
Radio strings.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
that
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
using that we will send the
Yes,
messages.
ma'am.
Radio strings. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
How what can you see here? The one person is having phone, the second one person is having phone, and they are
Yes,
sending
teacher.
one messages through the signal. That is
Yes,
radio
teacher.
strings we will call. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
To send a message to your loved ones, we are going to use microbit. We can use microbit chip to send any message to others, but in certain range. Okay. The range should not be like range should be minimum, not no more than. We can't send like you are sitting in one home and I'm sitting in one home and you can send the messages. No. Okay. In certain range you can
Yes,
send the
teacher.
messages. Okay. And we will do the programming and about like you have heard radio 9.94.0. These are radio channels name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That also we will do.
Yes,
Okay, in
ma'am.
our program today. So first
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just understand what is the sending and what is the receiving. You know this, right? One will
Yes,
send and
ma'am.
one other will receive.
Yes, ma'am.
We have antennas in our phone also. We have some chips to send the message and to receive the message. In
Yes,
microbit
ma'am.
chip
Yes,
also we
ma'am.
have some antennas to send the message and to receive the message. When you will do the program now, here it will be visible antennas. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
the first is how we are going to do. The we will send the message and when you will press the A button now, this A button, it will receive the message. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
For that we will start. See, you can see here this radio block, right? This we are going to use today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Input and basic is done, right? And math also something done. Functions is done. Arrays is done, right? Array you got how to do. Today we will do radio. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to set a group. Like, see, if you are using two chips, you have to set one link to each other now. See, when you run the program, now your two chip will be there, not one. One will send and one will receive. And when one will send, this one will receive. So the group should be there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Name we have to give
Yes, ma'am.
two chips. This group is one or this group is five. Any group is five. So first we will give the name. On start, radio set group is see this block. Any number you can give. Five. Range is there. See. Okay. Till 255 range is there. From
Yes, teacher.
0 to 255. Any range. Okay. Now what we will do? One will receive and one will send, right? So first we will send, then we will work on receive one. Okay. On button
Yes, ma'am.
A pressed, you need to send a message, right? So in the radio, this microchip chip, you can send the message in string, right? We have done some name badge, right, in first and second class. That will work in string. So you can send the message in string. Radio, send string. Okay. Here you can keep your message, any message. Hello, hi, any welcome, any name, anything. Okay. And the other one will receive. So this is on radio receive string. This one will take. Okay. So that what we need to do? We have sent the message. Here receiving is done. Now we should show the message to screen, right? We sent the message from here, and here message is received. Now we have to show that message on our screen. So what we will here the one button is there, show screen. This one. See what we have done here on button A pressed, radio send string is hello. Okay, here the received this hello string is received here. Now this received string will keep here. You can keep, see, I'll tell you how. Click on this one and see, it will come. Whatever this block is receiving here, it will show this one only on this chip. Okay, now I'll show you.
Okay.
Two chips are there now. If you on this, hello is coming here. If you are pressing this one, hello is coming here. If you are pressing this one, hello is here. If you are pressing this one, hello is here. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You understood clearly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello here, and if you will keep here, hello here. Okay. Now what we have to do, if you are pressing B button, then it should give you a radio number. Which radio you are using? Radio number is there, na? 95.0, 94.3,
Yes,
like that. So what we will do, please mute your mic, everyone. Kalyan Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Shiva, Ramulu, Pragnya, mute. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now we have sent a string and we have received a string. String is nothing but your message. Whatever you are sending, you are receiving and you are showing on screen. Now what we will do, when you are pressing button A, it will give you the message. When you are pressing button B, it will give you the number. Okay, radio number, radio string number. Okay. So what we will do, on button B pressed, what we have to do, here we are sending the string, here what we are doing, number. Okay, so what we will do, show number, right? Show number, pick random. We have to give pick random numbers, not like sometimes you are using 95.0, sometimes you are using 94.3. So random numbers, na? 1 to 600 string is there. So 1 to 600, we will give the random numbers. Same, pick random number. In math block, go to math block, pick random, keep here 1 to, we'll give till 600. Okay. And now see, here we were talking about string. So here we took string 1. Now we are talking about numbers. So what we will do, we will take numbers. If you'll go down, you will see on radio received, receive number. Okay. Here we were talking about the string. So we are using string. Here we are talking about number. So here we will use number. One thing you have missed. See, here we are sending a message. See, here also we are sending the message. So what we have done, radio send string hello. Here also we are sending number. So how can you keep your show number? No one tell me. Why? You are not interested.
No. Yes, ma'am.
You are not interested.
No, ma'am.
We are interested, ma'am.
We are interested, ma'am.
Who is not interested?
No, ma'am. As you told, we like, I want to tell, ma'am.
I want to tell you, I am not getting you. Tell me clearly.
Just we are interesting, I want to tell, ma'am.
Okay. Because you are not focusing. No one is telling me anything. That's why I'm telling you. Only 2 to 3 people are interested, that they only are sending me the videos. No one is doing. First only I told you, when we are sending the message, we should use radio, we should use send word. But here what I use show word. No one told me, ma'am, you are doing wrong. Why? This one we should use here. After receiving, then only we can show, right? Before receiving, how can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
show? First
Here we
you
need
have
to
to
keep
send.
radio send number
Yes, here you should keep radio send number and pick random 1 to
and pick
600.
random.
And here what I should keep? Show number.
Show number received string.
Yes, this
Received
one
number.
received number. That's it.
Received.
What we are sending from here,
From.
and we will show here. That's it. See now. When
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
pressing button, it is sending the message. When you are pressing B, number, see, 297. Understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
teacher. Yes, teacher.
404.
Yes, teacher.
Understood?
Understood, teacher. Yes,
When you are
teacher.
using when you are using it physically, you can see the range.
Yes, ma'am.
More than 5 meter, it will not go. Like you have to keep less range. Now you can see antennas here. Antennas.
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
You
teacher.
know what is down and up one? This you know. Okay, leave it.
No,
You are in
ma'am.
6th class now. You will understand after in 8th class, I think 8th or 9th. These are antennas, radio antennas. Okay. See, down value is less and up value is high.
Yes, ma'am.
These are antennas. Okay. And this is our program. Okay. Now
Okay,
tell me
ma'am.
any doubts in this program?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
See, many of
No,
you
ma'am.
are working on Scratch. Many of you are working on Scratch, and they are telling me like, yes, many of you.
Teacher, I have a doubt, teacher.
Yes, first let me complete, then only you can ask.
Okay.
So, after this microbit, we are going to teach you, right, other things like add fruit you are working. We are going to teach you add fruit. Then Scratch 4.0 is there now. We are going to teach you Scratch 4.0. Why you should work on microbit, na? You should explore microbit. So many projects are there. See, like this project, you can make so many projects, huh? Using dice one, you can make any game. Using this radio one, you can make new programs. Huh? Why you are working on Scratch and Scratch? You don't know about Scratch, right? Just little bit you know because you have used in class 2 to 3 times. Why you are working on Scratch? I'm not understanding. Add fruit, you don't know anything about add fruit. How can you work on add fruit? If you, I'm telling you, explore microbit. In microbit, you have so many projects. This micro chat, I think it's in tutorials. I thought you will send me this video, many of you, but someone is
Teacher, I
working on
sent it
Scratch,
about
someone is
this
working on
micro chat, ma'am.
like this. You worked. This number also should come.
Yes, ma'am. Not like this,
Number
ma'am.
one, you worked.
Not number one, ma'am. Just
Just check the work. I
only
know.
hello. My name is Amyasi. Like that, I work on, ma'am.
Ramya Shri,
Yes, ma'am.
in that only you can explore more and more.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because if you will do this, other person also moving to other one, na? And everyone don't know about everything. You can explore, but they can't explore, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So on microbit first.
Yes, ma'am.
Explore microbit. In microbit, you have so many.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can use games also in microbit.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, my name is Pallavi. So I have done like this projects by my own, ma'am.
But
Send you also.
yes. Okay. So in this program, anyone is having any doubt?
Teacher, I'm
No,
having
ma'am.
one doubt, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Tell.
Now, if I want to send to my friend, like for my Pallavi, like if I want to send, ma'am, that how can I send, ma'am, for that this programming, like saying to her?
Like this program you want to send to her on WhatsApp.
Um, yes, ma'am. Means I will send her something that she will also send. No, ma'am. Like that. Not only me, she should also.
Video you want to make. A screenshot you
Okay.
can take in laptop. If you are using laptop, you can take a screenshot. I can tell you how to take. You will find
Okay.
one print SC button on your laptop.
Okay, ma'am.
Backspace there. See there.
Yes,
Backspace is
ma'am.
there. Up of
Yes, ma'am.
backspace only print SC button will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it, print SC.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on that. After that, you have to go to Paint. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, I'll show you. I took screenshot of this one, and now I'll go to Paint. You are able to see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to Paint. Just 1 second.
Okay, ma'am.
Go to Paint and Control V.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this, and after that, just save
Ma'am,
this
can
one.
you tell again?
Can you? Can you tell again? Okay. What you have to do, where you want to take your screenshot now, just go to that page.
Okay, ma'am.
Go to that page, and you will find one print SC button on your keyboard.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
laptop only I'm telling. In phone it's easy to take a screenshot, but in laptop you have to press that print SC button. You have found it, print SC button? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
All. Press on that print SC button one time. After that, go to Paint. Okay? Go to Paint. In Paint, you have to just control paste. Okay? That's it. You can crop it also. Okay? And you can save first. First, you should save this one. Save as anything. Radio program.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I do not understand from when you went to paint, ma'am.
Paint. You have to just go to Paint. From Paint is there in your laptop.
Yes, ma'am.
Then in search, go to Start button. Your search button will be there now. Paint research. Got Paint here. See this on this screen. Paint. Click on this. Paint is there. See. Just Control V. Paste. First it done. Now after this pasting, save this one from file.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
How can we paint, ma'am?
See what you have to do. You are on this page, right? You have to press one time print SC button, then go to Paint. Paint is there in your phone, laptop, right? Paint. Where you paint? Paint is there not there?
Ma'am, instead of doing that, we can use snipping tool also now, ma'am.
Yes, that also you can do, but this is easy. Let's go to Paint and just paste it. That's it. Done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what's that button name?
Print SC.
It's next to delete button.
Beside of delete button. Beside of
Okay, ma'am.
got it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
my name is Tanvi.
Yes, Sandeep.
Ma'am, can we send suppose now I have created a message.
Yes.
Can I send you, ma'am, from microbits?
You have created one message in microbit. How? Where?
Ma'am, now I
In
have
this
created some
some programs you have created.
Ma'am, I can't get you, ma'am.
What you have created in microbit?
Ma'am, in microbit I have created a message, ma'am.
Message. Where? In microbit you have created message in program
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this.
Mm-hmm.
So you cannot send me the like you can send me screenshot and videos, not from microbit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
You
Ma'am,
should take video, a screenshot, and you should send me. Yes. Yes, yes, ask.
nothing, ma'am.
See, till now, some has login with their name, but some are not till now. Surya Teja.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your name?
My name is Vai Sujati only, ma'am.
Why Surya Teja only? Sri Vidya. Sri Vidya. Okay. Srinivas Jyoti. Srinivas Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name is Jyoti only.
My name is Rupesh, ma'am.
Then why you are not logging with your email ID? I told you in last class and you all have all told like from next class we'll do, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why the reason I first before I joined using my email ID only, ma'am, but it was showing this camera off button, ma'am, like that. So I tried it whether using my father's email ID it will come or not. It's showing like that again, ma'am. The webcam is not at all working, ma'am. That's why I was checking. Even the problem happened yesterday also, ma'am, while I was doing some meeting. That's why I just did it. Or else I
Okay.
would have joined using my account only.
From next class, please log in with your email ID. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll take attendance now, sir. Puna, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'll take the attendance now.